Hello, my name is Hope Jakobson, and I am a part of the marketing team here at Tasty Shop in Manitowoc. My boss is handling all of the other pressing matters related to this situation, and I'm going to walk you through my approach to crisis management and what our hold as well as reactive statement entails. So for our hold statement, it needs to be short and simple, factual, action-orientated, time-bound, empathetic, and open with concerns. So our hold statement reads as followed. The YouTube video we saw was inappropriate and something we do not want to define or represent our restaurant here in Manitowoc. We are unsure as to who was involved in the incident. Our investigation in response to this issue will begin today, and we are sorry to all that had to witness this video. We will be taking action to properly address the situation. If you have questions or concerns, please feel free to reach me at hopejmarketing@tastyshop.com or call our shop at 920-453-0179 and ask for myself. Again, we thank you for your patience as we address this matter. As for a reactive statement, it is going to entail how we apologize and make this right. So we want to show remorse, take responsibility, and repair the damage that was done if possible. And because we haven't had to deal with a situation like this in the past, we would love assistance where you see fit. So our reactive statement reads as follows. We are aware that a YouTube video was posted that reveals two of our employees inappropriately playing with our restaurant's food that was eventually served to our customers. This type of behavior is completely unacceptable and will not be tolerated at our place of business. Both of these employees have been let go from our Tasty Shop restaurant here in Manitowoc. We are deeply sorry about the actions that these employees took, and we want to be upfront about how we will move forward. In hopes of showing our appreciation to all of our loyal customers, we will be offering 15% off of your dine-in meals for the next 2 weeks. Although we cannot take back these upsetting actions, we hope to show everyone where our morals lie. We look forward to continuing to serve Manitowoc County. Thank you.